can't hold the cutters, whether they like it or not. I wanna show you up, I wanna show you up. I wanna brag about it, I wanna tie the knot. I wanna show you up, I wanna show you up. I wanna show you, yeah, yeah. I wanna show you up, I wanna show you up. I wanna show you, yeah, yeah. I wanna show you up, I wanna show you up. I wanna show you now, you can get what it was, boy. So 9:30. I'll see you there.
Another tree that's like broken down. I seen a larger one back there before we came this way. But the next tree, if I find like another huge one, I'm definitely going to record it. I just hate the fact that I thought I was recording the other one and I didn't. See, he always got to be destructive. That's why I don't take him nowhere. That's why I don't take him nowhere. We're supposed to be out here enjoying the nature, and he knocking stuff down. Like it's not enough trees are already knocked down out here. Crazy man. I love his ass dude. Look how steep this goes. See, I like when you find the uniqueness of a trail. Like, this is so beautiful. So like if you wanted to ride your bike out here, like, come on guys, this is a vibe. Wind is blowing, all of that. I just don't see how the bikers do it because baby, look how I have to like be careful going down. Girl, let me tell you, y'all, let me tell you. When them bikers be on here, they be going full speed. They be gone. I be like, child, just walking up it is difficult. We got more shades and more trees here. I love it here. It's like cooler when you get in the trees and the shade. So beautiful. Hey babe, can we like bask in this area for a little bit? Let's like chill. Look at him look like Tarzan. Look at Tarzan, y'all. Alright babe. Yes. So check this out guys. We could definitely go like this way and go, but I'm gonna go this way. And maybe. You got my phone? Actually, I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna take it easy. Oh, Chris, let me see.
So 9:30. I'll see you there. No, you hang up. You hang up. Something different about you. Love it when you hit and smack too. Baby, let me lick on your tattoos. That's true that I like PDA. Take it to the city, please suck a little dick in the bathroom. Who that man with the big strong hands on the rats in the club with the past? Maybe that's you. Front seat chilling with the window down. I'd be 10 toes down on the dash getting fast food. Hope you can handle the heat. Put your name in the streets. Get used to my fans looking at you. Fuck what they heard.
This guy. I just want to put him across my path. Okay, don't do that. Don't do it. Move. See, and he had like he do stuff like this like he got life insurance. Move. Irritating me. I wonder what stays down there. It's very creepy. Oh, check out those little red. Is those like red berries or some shit? Blue flower, red thorns. Blue flower, red thorns. Okay, I don't want to take an alternate route. Yeah, he think I'm finna go back over here. He's crazy. I don't want to go that way. Why we can't go this way? This is a clear path and dude want to go this way. You see what I deal with, bro? This is creepy. Like, y'all. He's a weirdo. Who wants to go through this? Look, it got cobwebs and stuff. I'm not coming over here. It's giving me anxiety. just never want to take a straight way. I don't want to go here. This is, yeah, no. Why we couldn't do the other way? This is like bike type of shit there. And then he want me to go back through this cobweb veil.
Come on, Valerie.
Yeah, just go. Just go. See, y'all, look at this path. Clear path. Give you hopes and dreams. He want to go back there where the hills have eyes. Take us back there where the hills have eyes. Tripping. All right, we're back with like a bridge this time, y'all. I just went through a muddy crisis there, but I purposely wore these because these are my actually outside shoes anyway, even though they're all white. But take a look at some of these trees I was telling you about, how they fall and they lay so beautifully across. I'm talking about, these are some long trees, y'all. Some very long trees. But anyway, that muddy path, y'all, it just gave me anxiety. And then I just see someone casually like go on a trail above me that was like not muddy, and I was like, I feel like a doofus. Look at him. Like, why? Oh, he's actually cleaning the mud off his shoes. Whoa, y'all, it's a little muddy here. I underestimated this area. I really underestimated it. My husband's leaving me. You see how he treats me? Like shit. No, just playing. Wait. I'm actually childish. Y'all, look at this. This is like, I'm telling you, it'd be the small things that you can like really just find on the trail. Stop. You know, he get on my nerve, y'all. It's like the small things. It's definitely not gonna take you to the other side because you can definitely fall off of that. It's not even a flat surface. Won't you look at that? That's so neat. But it's like so many cool trees out here that are old. I'm talking about old, y'all. And like I said, I don't know if they ever been struck down by lightning or what, but they be falling, child. Like there's another one right here that you can't really see too much, but it's a long tree that is a lot like lies down there. And this is a muddy path, so I'm gonna be careful and take the dry area. You can see it gets a little crazy right in this area. Yes, kind of muddy. Yeah, this is definitely muddy. So I'm gonna get off the camera because good content is on the way, but I'm feeling this. It's like a, do you hear that animal talking? You heard it was like he probably called his little cousins to be like, attack them people over there.
Big smile.
Hello. Yep. That bee is a hater, but I do have like some kind of perfume on. Chris, do you see him? Because I do want to sit back down in my spot. Y'all, it has like some nice nice seating areas out here. So cool. You see that? That bee was a hater. He was all in the mix, y'all. He wanted to be on my YouTube channel, but you gotta pay. You gotta pay to play.
I don't fuck with them birds, I'm a mean kitty, don't get stabbed with the rats too. Always be mad that I don't fuck insults, girls hate too. Guns with a pigtail, I love you, I want a big tail, boy don't trip, I'll split a big bill. Take you around the world, they don't have to understand. Rub it in their face, put a rock on her hand.
Baby, can you call me back? I miss you. It's so lonely in my mansion.
Kissing and hug the cutters, whether they like it or not. I wanna show you up, I wanna show you up, I wanna brag about show you up. I wanna show you up. I wanna show you. Yeah, I wanna show you up. I wanna show you up. I wanna show you up.
I'm definitely feeling this breeze. It feels amazing out here. Y'all, it's like really packed there. Like wide, I would say. Definitely wide. Fucks with it. I did end the video earlier, but I'm back. Back in popular demand. I'm happy like it's not raining either right now. Definitely out of breath. Don't judge me. Judge your mama.
Had a long walk on the beach. Living when they Hong Kong for the street. They see us.